Yeah, welcome back. On our previous class, we talked about text formatting in HTML and how we give ourselves an assignment. So what we are going to be doing today is we'll probably be talking about dissolve the assignment by ourselves. Then we'll now take us back a little bit on what we have done and all this kind of stuff. So now let's imagine we want to create an assignment in another page. Probably we just come here and click on new page. So we can name it assignment.html. Remember, every document you are writing, sorry, let me write that in. Remember, any document we are writing will be in .html because we are writing an HTML document. When you hit enter, it take you to another page, just like this. Then remember, you can write HTML. Then you can see here HTML5. Cool. So we can press our alternative Z so that it will be bringing our code down. So we save. Then we can change the title, like I said, to assignment. So we can open it by right clicking here and open on this thing. So it has opened. You can see our heading, that's an assignment. And the assignment was I asked you guys, remember all our code should be in between this body. I asked you that to say to give the effect of bold, italics, and align in a particular this thing. So probably we say okay, let's say we said this probably I love my my mother. Yeah, so we want to give it a bold, right? Say bold. Then the next one we said italic, and let me remove this closing tag that we said. The last one is underline. However, you can see that we just write only a starting tag here. So the ending tag will be ending it one after the other. How are you going to be ending an ending tag? The one that is more closer, the more closer they are to this content is how you are going to be closing it. For instance, which tag among these three is more closer to I love my mother? It is you, followed by hi, then b. So we're just going to write. In fact, Visual Studio Code will even help us to close that itself. When we just write this and put slash, you can see that it closed the u first, then followed by then hi. It did that by itself. When I just write it and put slash, then it did that. So when I click on save, you can see this is italics, this is bold, and this is underline. That is what I gave you in the assignment. Like another thing, for instance, we did an example of, we talk about a lot of stuff like sub and sub. Let's imagine we want to give water is H2O inside an heading tag, heading 1. So we just write heading 1, and you know how H2O used to write. Probably want to write water is H2O. Abi? Okay, good. So this H2, the H stand alone, the 2 will be under, and we want this O to be at the top. So we just put our sub, that was subtract. So we put our 2 in between it, and we write sub that we want to be at the top, and put our O here. So if you can see, what we want is this water is H, this 2 should be below, and this O should be top, and everything is being encoded with a H1 tag. When we save and let's go to our assignment, we can see this water is, you can see that it has an H1 effect, and it said water is H2 went under and O go up. That is sub, and sub at the down, and sub at the top. So that is how it works. So we have given this particular thing 3 HTML effects. We give an heading, we give the sub, I will give you the sub. So whatever things you want to add, tag can be inside tag depending on how you want it to look like. So let's move ahead to, let's just close this. We actually don't need this right now, and let's move to another class. So that is the assignment, that is the assignment solved. So thank you.